Alright, no one's coming. This is Masser's Produce. Mile, we got Stitzer Road till 125. Well, there's 3 dudes, so they're okay. If there's just one dude, I'm gonna see if there's anything I could do, but okay, this is Stitzer Road. Okay. They're right, instead of going up that hill, huh? Okay. Good direction. This isn't good. This is fucking not good at all. This is fucking really bad. No, I did not. But we're gonna stop because we have to.